In fact, being woke is now a national security threat. And to prove it, let me introduce New Zealand's Foreign Affairs Minister, Nanaia, as woke as they come and undermining our security. She is now even weakening the Five Eyes partnership. That's the intelligence sharing arrangement between great democracies, US, Britain, Australia, Canada, as well as New Zealand. But I think woke culture is also to blame here, because let me now play you some of the speech that this Foreign Minister gave yesterday. Now first know this, Mahuta is actually from a privileged family. She went to an Anglican girls' boarding school. She studied social anthropology at university. How hip is that? She's got her facial tattoos, her moko, only 5 years ago to show she was a Maori leader. It's the whole politics of racial identity. It just oozes from her. Now, if you ask me, her speech yesterday hinted, at least to me, that New Zealand's Foreign Minister actually feels that confronting China is a white person's obsession. For her, there are wonderful similarities between the Chinese dragon and the Nanaia of Maori mythology, which she cited as an inspiration.
When I think about this relationship, as referred to earlier, I liken it to the respect a taniwha would have for a dragon and vice versa. Taniwha are protectors or guardians, often of water, and hold dominion over rivers and seas and lakes, lands and territories. Deeply steeped in culture, they are spiritual and one with nature. I see the taniwha and the dragon as symbols of the strength of our particular customs, traditions and values that aren't always the same, but need to be maintained and respected.
What woke mystic babble? Respect the Chinese dragon. Except, of course, we're not really talking about Chinese dragons or a Maori taniwha. We're talking about a brutal dictatorship that has locked up 1 million Muslims, that is threatening to invade Taiwan, that has got 2 Australians hostage in its jails. But New Zealand's Foreign Minister is so dizzy with her New Age earth worship and her old nature gods. For her, China is actually an ally in the fight against global warming.
The taniwha and the dragon know, for example, that their ecosystem is rapidly experiencing change because of climate change. These are areas for further cooperation.
I mean, spare us. New Zealand actually has a foreign minister who was inspired by some mythical monster and citing it as a reason to show respect for a dictatorship. It shows that woke politics is making the West desperately weak, and China would be laughing.